Struggling to choose between the convenience of a Chime virtual card and the established world of credit cards? Let's break down the key differences in just 90 seconds. First up, what are they? A Chime virtual card is a digital-only card linked to your Chime spending account. It's generated instantly through the Chime app, adding an extra layer of security for online purchases. Traditional credit cards are physical cards issued by banks, allowing you to borrow money and pay it back later, often with interest. Security is where virtual cards shine. With Chime, you can generate a new virtual card number for each online purchase, or freeze it instantly if you suspect fraud. This greatly minimizes the risk of your main card being compromised. Credit cards offer fraud protection too, but the process of disputing charges might take longer. Now, for building credit, traditional credit cards are designed for that purpose. Responsible use, like paying your bills on time, helps you establish a credit history, which is essential for loans, mortgages, and more. Chime virtual cards, being linked to a spending account, generally don't directly impact your credit score, although Chime does offer a credit builder card. Consider your spending habits. Virtual cards are excellent for secure online shopping and budgeting, especially if you're prone to overspending. Credit cards are useful for larger purchases that you might want to pay off over time, but remember, that comes with interest if you don't pay the balance in full each month. Don't forget rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback, travel points, or other perks. Chime virtual cards typically don't have these rewards, although they can be linked to other reward programs, so that's something you want to be aware of. So, which one is right for you? If security and budget control are your priorities, go for a Chime virtual card. If you're looking to build credit and earn rewards, and you're confident in managing your spending, a traditional credit card might be the better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual financial needs and spending habits. Consider what's most important to you and choose the card that aligns with your goals.